Hi, this is Heather Legg with Envision Success Inc. Business Coaching and Consulting, and I just wanted to reach out to you and say happy holidays to you and your family and ask you how your business is going for 2009 and what goals you have for 2010. Have you heard of viral marketing? GetViral.com. Frank and John are helping me with some endorsement videos, and I don't know if you've looked at my website, envisionsuccessinc.com, but I highly suggest that you take a look at the work that they're doing. I find that it's really difficult for most of my clients, and yes, even for me, to stay in touch with all those folks in my contact list, friends, family, colleagues, clients, and they make it a lot easier through social media marketing. They'll do videos for you, they'll write your content, they'll create a blog just for you that highlights the best features of your business, your core competencies, your personal features that you want to highlight, and that can be only good for your business. So check out the link below, and again, this is Heather Legg, Envision Success Inc. Have a great holiday season.